Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This is me Abdurrahman and you are watching YouTube channel Smart English Grammar. Dear viewers, the topic that I am going to teach you in today's video that is about transitive and intransitive verbs. What are transitive and intransitive verbs? Before we start the topic, it is requested to you guys to like and subscribe YouTube channel Smart English Grammar so that you receive every new video about the grammar at right time. So let's get started the topic without any further delay. What are transitive verbs and intransitive verbs? First we have to discuss, or we have to talk about the transitive verbs, then we will discuss about the intransitive verbs. So what are transitive verbs? Transitive verbs are those verbs which require an object in a sentence so that we get full meaning of that sentence, right? For example, Ahmad plays cricket. So Ahmad plays cricket. Here we have in this sentence Ahmad, that is subject, and after subject we have got verb, and right after the verb we have got an object, and that this sentence is to be considered, or that verb is to be considered like Ahmad plays cricket. So this is to be considered as an transitive verb, right? Because here we have got an object, that object is cricket, right, which is used right after the verb. So Ahmad plays cricket, it is transitive verb, right? Because we have got an object right after the verb, and that is cricket, right? Next example, for example, Yasin eats the burger. Yasin eats the burger. So still we have an object in this sentence, so this is to be considered transitive verb because Yasin eats burger. So after eats, here we have got verb, and right after this verb we have got the burger, that is an object. So therefore we must consider it that it is an transitive verb, right? Now let's move towards the intransitive verbs. What are intransitive verbs? Intransitive verbs are those verbs which do not require any object, right? It is opposite of transitive verbs, right? For example, if I say that Waqar plays, so what does Waqar plays, right? Here we do not have any object right after the verb, that verb is plays. So if we get any object right after the verb, that must be considered transitive verb. But here we do not have any object right after the verb, so therefore it is to be considered intransitive verb, because intransitive verbs are those verbs which do not require any object, right? And still here we don't have any object, right? That Ahmad plays. What does Ahmad play? You may think he plays cricket, volleyball, hockey, football, etc. We don't know, right? So therefore we must consider it that Ahmad plays. What does he play? Right? We don't know. So it is to be considered as an intransitive verb. Let's take another example of intransitive verb, right? That, for example, Mahmoud is crying. Mahmoud is crying. So here we also don't have any object in this sentence, so therefore we must consider it as an intransitive verb, right? Simply you can identify the transitive verb and intransitive verb when we have got any object in a sentence right after the verb, so that must be considered as a transitive verb. If you don't get, so that must be considered as a intransitive verb. So I hope you get some ideas from today's video. If you have any question in your mind, you can ask question in the comment box. I will answer you there. Thank you very much.